8 most life-threatening fishes in the world. The piranha. Piranhas are well-known aggressive fish in the world. But contrary to how they are presented in the movies, these fish are only bloodthirsty predators when they have no other options. Native to South America, there are thought to be more than 30 species, the largest being the red belly piranha. This species can grow up to 20 inches long, but their ancestors were double the size. Surprisingly, plant matter makes up a large part of the piranha's diet and is classified as omnivorous. Their flesh-tearing teeth can take up a large prey, especially if they are in a large school. On a rare occasion, this fish harms humans. The last human fatality was in 2015. The box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are some of the most lethal sea creatures in the ocean and are found all over the world. There are 51 known species, each of which is equipped with venom, but the one with life-threatening venom is found in Indiana Pacific. They are identified by their square-shaped bells and tentacles containing around 500,000 specialized cells. It is through these the venom is delivered, and human contact with one of the tentacles will lead to a mild envenomation. The toxin injected by the box jellyfish causes the cells of the body to become so porous that the vital nutrients start leaking out. As a result, the concentration of these chemicals elevates in the bloodstream, leading to cardiovascular collapse and therefore demise within 5 minutes. The stingray. Stingrays are one of the most recognizable rays among 220 different species because of their long, sharp tails. They are found all across the world, from the rivers of South America to the deep oceans of the Indo-Pacific, and can grow up to 17 feet long. Although stingrays are not aggressive, they won't hesitate to defend themselves when felt threatened. While their stings are used for hunting, they are also used against assailants. This marine animal produces venom, and if it gets injected in a sufficient amount, it will lead to excruciating pain, swelling, muscle cramps, and will prevent the wound to heal properly. Muskellunge. Muskellunge is also known as jackpike and is a freshwater fish native to regions across North America. They are the largest in the pike family, growing up to 6 feet long and weighing around 70 pounds. This fish is also a popular species with anglers and are the apex predators in their natural habitat. They lay in ambush for other fishes to swim by and then leap into action, bite their prey and swallow it, head first. Primarily, muskellunge diet includes fish, but they also hunt rats, ducks, and frogs. Their stomach extends throughout most of the body, which means they can swallow anything that's up to 2/3 their size. The candiru. Candiru is a small species of parasitic catfish that normally grows up to 7 inches long. It is transparent and has a series of backwards pointing spines along its gills. They feed on the blood of other animals by attaching themselves to their victim through the spine. Candiru then drains as much blood as possible before moving to their next prey. In humans, though, this can lead to an uncomfortable experience because they are just the right size to fit into the urethra. Once this small fish enters the area and extends its sharp spine, the only way to remove it is through amputation. The alligator gar. According to the fossils discovered, this freshwater fish first emerged around 100 million years ago. They are torpedo-shaped and have hard scales across their bodies which can grow up to 10 feet long. Native to South America, the alligator gar is an ambush predator, which means they wait before pouncing on the victim. Their main weapon is the double row of large, sharp teeth that can impale their prey on the first bite. Although they are unlikely to harm a human, they can still pose a threat to them. If the alligator manages to sink their teeth into the human flesh, it can lead to horrendous injuries. The electric eel. Many sea animals can produce electric charge, but the most lethal is the electric eels. These eels can grow up to 7 feet long and are found in stagnant waters throughout the Amazon basin. They can produce electric charge because of the two organs called the hunter's organ and the sash's organ. To locate their prey, they generate a mild current and incapacitate the victim with a more powerful current. Fortunately, for humans, one shock is not enough to harm a healthy adult, but the problem is they move into colonies. So if a person suffers a shock from these colonies, it can lead to cardiovascular failure even before they could get out of the water. The stonefish. This creepy-looking creature lives around the coastal regions of the Indo-Pacific. They camouflage themselves in the seabed waiting for their victim to swim by and are known to be the most venomous among all the fishes. Stonefish have needle-like spines that stand up when under threat and inject lethal toxins. The toxins will instantly neutralize any marine creatures, and it is highly harmful to humans too. Their stings are quite common because it is impossible to see the fish before it is too late. Most human injuries happen by stepping on it, leading to organ failure within hours, eventually leading to demise.